Good evening, everyone, and sorry for doing this week analysis also offline. Okay, I've been out on the weekend and have just returned 2 hours back. So this is where we had been. Like you can see, it's a group full of all the ages, and it's basically my country club group. Okay, so this is the TT players all, and we had thought of a one day overnight picnic, and it suddenly turned out to be there. Okay, so it was something that we just had, so you can see where we had been. Okay, mainly if I have to show you few of the glimpses, I think it's not yet been there, but you can see Paresh is doing the final payment to the resort people, and there has been uh, swimming pool and all fun that we were there into. So, and we have hardly slept. Okay, so we've been there yesterday morning, early morning. Overnight, we had no sleep because we all were, enjoying playing. And today, so been back today. So let's complete the analysis. I'll send you the details. So let's have a recap. Okay, so last week also we saw the markets in the same range that we were expecting, and we had a very good session on, I think, Reliance, Maruti, HDFC Bank, Dr. Reddy didn't trigger at all. L&T triggered on Monday itself and gave us a good money. Grasim Short didn't trigger at all, and Bajaj Auto also didn't trigger. But there was a good success on Reliance. We did had some high from here, and if anybody would have traded, would have made some money. Then Maruti gave from 73052 to almost 7400, right? It went almost till 7412 was the high. HDFC Bank again hit the target 1600. Dr. Reddy didn't trigger. L&T almost went to the target, and we had a good day on Monday itself. So, overall, we have seen it was a good week for us. So now let's start for the March 15th week. What we are seeing. So let's start with immediately with Nifty. So Nifty has got a bearish engulfing at 60 resistance. Okay, so this is where we are now been trapped. You can say it's a double top. Okay, on daily, but we are still at support of 20 MA, and let's see what it does. So we had an island reversal here, and the target of island reversal was made on Friday itself, which is the swing high. So we had till this level we went, and then there was a sudden selling pressure because 60 was not crossed on daily. Okay, weekly we do have still a shooting star or a small doji type of a candle. Okay, so need to see what it does. So below this, I will be looking forward for some short positions, but until then, I'll still hold. Okay, this looks good so far. Okay, it's still a neutral candle on the month. So month is still neutral. This shows some resistance at 15,400 levels. Okay, in a way, and this shows double top. So there can be a range bound movement between this. Okay, so this can be the range bound movement after a long thing. Okay, that we have seen on the charts. Okay, and this is where we are still there. So the trend line is still intact. Okay, till this levels. Okay, around 14,700, 800 is where you can see the support is going to be there on the trend line. Okay, so unless this is broken, it will be still a bull run. Okay, but yes, the bull run has slowed down because look at the RSI, it had tired. Okay, so this is where it is now. Range shift. So range shift, 60 resistance, again 60 resistance. So let's see whether it will come down for 40 for support and bounce back again, because monthly, weekly, both are above 60. Okay, so this still looks good to me. So again, let us see the range. So Nifty, we can still say we have, you know, bearish engulfing. at MA20 support now. Okay, so today we are at support. Weekly bullish Harami formation and individually shooting star. Okay, so we individually have a doji. Okay, and weekly we have again, so you can say weekly doji neutral candle. Okay, doji above 60. Okay, so still we think that this is going to be existing because you can see 15,100 not been crossed. Okay, so we still have 15,100 as resistance, 350, 550, 500, and still this to be C. Okay, so this is still there as support. So nothing changes on Nifty yet. Okay, let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has got the same type of a candle, and it also had. See, there was an island reversal till this as your thing, and we almost touched that on Friday, and from there it started to fall. So we had an almost 515 in touch, and from there it went down again, and then a bearish engulfing 1,000 points down. Okay, so again we are at price support here is around the same level, 35,000, right? And we had an immediate bounce as it touched 35,200 even on Friday. So this base is right now working for us. We need to see whether this has been broken or not. Okay, so let's see what it does tomorrow. There's again a doji here. So we need anyways, close about 36,500 on a weekly basis for another up move and a new high to be tested. Okay. Even the volumes have reduced in last week and previous week. So we might see, some still sideways movements this week, and still the month is looking to be good, and it's a doji, maybe probably about 68. Okay, so it's still looking okay. This is fine. This is a bit concern of sideways market. So again, this is going to be 34,800 and 35,200 still acting as a good support. So 35 uh, 200. So this has moved actually down now. Okay, so this is acting as a support right now. Okay, and this is fine. So we have some improvement on the support and resistance for this week. Let's see whether we sustain this or not. Okay, so this is where we are having some support right now. Okay, so daily we have again, this is bearish engulfing even on this. Weekly is still a doji at 38% retracement support. It has not gone beyond the previous week, so it is still existing and we are still looking good. Okay, and monthly about 60 with doji. So far it's a doji. Okay, so this is the only change we have to do in Bank Nifty. Now let's see whether indices quickly. Guys, excuse my voice in this video. Okay, mainly that's why I'm writing things as well. Okay, so IT was resisted at upper band and 60. So we'll have to see IT stocks for short positions, and this is also double top. Okay, here we do have not much, so we are fine. There is nothing, and still positive looking. So there is still not any bearishness in IT sector much, but daily is sluggish and sideways. Okay, 60-40 खेल रहा है ये. Okay, so this is where it is. So IT daily at price support नहीं है अभी, and wedge formation तो अभी भी है, बना है. Okay, so ये नीचे से ऊपर तक तो आ गया है. Okay, now we need to see कि अभी वापस नीचे आएगा ये तो. Okay, so resisting 60. Okay, and MA20, so अभी 20 MA के ऊपर में निकल गया है ये. Resisting 60, and I'll say upper band. Okay, because right now we are at upper band resistance. Weekly is bullish Harami at 60 support, monthly shooting star above. Monthly is no more a shooting star, so this is looking good now. And weekly is also neutral candle. Okay, so bullish Harami था, उसके ऊपर भी निकल गया तो कंफर्म किया उसने वो. Okay, weekly bullish formation है. And it's no more a shooting star, it's a good bullish candle. Monthly bullish candle above 60. Okay, so IT looks okay. And see, it is almost to cross the high of shooting star of previous month. इसके ऊपर में निकल गया तो ये मोमेंटम ट्रेड वापस ऊपर की साइड भागेगा, या तो इट विल बी अ रेजिस्टेंस, बिकॉज सी RSI इज 80 राइट नाउ ऑन मंथली, तो थोड़ा कंसर्न है, बट लेट्स सी, इट माइट have some way, some movement on the upside. Let's see infra. So infra also back to back resisting 60, and it's at an almost all time high, but it is also at gap support. If you look at this, there is a PRD 72, 74. Dang. So no PRD here, but looks decent. Okay, so not much difference here, and still at all time high with a breakout. Okay, so this is still looking good, and nothing over here as well. So infra is okay. Mm, let's see FMCG. FMCG has got some struggle. So yes, again bearish engulfing, but at 40 support probably, and maybe there is a gap support here downwards. So that it is currently at 40-43. So this sector is still looking good, and also if you look at here, price support is there. वीकली में भी उसको सपोर्ट है. ओके 20 में अब तक तोड़ा नहीं है, तो अगर ये नहीं टूटता है तो इट इज स्टिल लुकिंग गुड. Monthly it is having around 60, so it can be the first bearish range shift maybe. Okay, so we need for the month to be over and see what it does here. So this is right now also at support. If you look at price support, this is at 20 MA support but below 60, and this again shows 40 support. So there can be some bounce in this till 3300, 33,300. Okay, if it has to come up to 20 MA and resist again. So we need to see what it does tomorrow. ये डेली का फ्लैग सेटअप अभी चला गया है, ये है अभी भी. Okay, but with a big candle, it has actually broken it up. Okay, so it should now remove that. So daily is a bearish engulfing, and resisting MA20. Okay, so it is now below it. Weekly bullseye था last week, but अभी तो इसका at monthly around 60. Okay, so that is still there. See, pharma is resisting 20 MA on weekly actually. तभी डॉक्टर रेड्डी फायर नहीं हो पा रहा था, but still see it is in the range, and monthly is at gap and 60 support. So we need to see what pharma does here because it's failing to cross 20 MA. तो फार्मा डेली बुलिश रेंजशिप सेटअप तो है 40 के ऊपर तो है, बट अभी देखना है कि क्या कर रहा है. ओके, डेली resisting and at 20. Okay, weekly doji resisting. Doji resisting this, monthly shooting star and 5 bar PRD confirms about this. तो ये तो अभी कंफर्मेशन होगा तभी देखना है, बट इट इज स्टिल एग्जिस्टिंग. It is not failed yet. It is still not failed. It is a 5 hour PRD and it is still looking good. It's above this, it confirms. So 12,400 के ऊपर में भी क्लोज आया तो ये मंथ कंफर्म करेगा. Okay, so it still looks good and nothing much, sideways you can expect. So it's going to be a sideways market now for some time. Okay, वो bond का सब सुनो मत, ऐसे सब होता नहीं है. वो होगा वो अपने लेवल के लिए नहीं है. ट्रेड करो बिंदास. Okay. So Nifty Pharma we saw, and let's now see Nifty Auto. Okay, so Nifty Auto is so similar daily basis पे देखो 20 MA resisted. Okay, so there is 61, 62 तो कुछ नहीं, लेकिन इधर भी PRD सेटअप है यार, ये और ये. And अभी भी there is another PRD setup. So Auto has got a PRD setup here as well. Okay, and it's above 60. This is still looking okay. Daily is approaching 46, so it might come down a bit. So we might see some fall in auto sector. It might come here, take support at 40 and lower, but then bounce back. There can be some few short, and I think Maruti we are already short on top bottom. So let's see what this sector does. So auto resisting 60 and MA20 now. This looks okay. Monthly progress formation above 60, but it is still, month is yet to be over, so we need to wait for the month to be over. So everything looks okay to me so far on this. So now let's start with key stocks as well. So there's nothing on ACC. Let's again see Reliance first. So Reliance has broken 60, but it is at support. Oh, weekly resisting 60 and a shooting star. So we do have a trade on Reliance to sell below. One 70 should be fine. Okay, so Reliance look good for a short because it's broken 60 amount daily. Okay, and if you look at this, it's a shooting star. So you short below this. Okay, 2133 है ना. Okay, so you short below 2130. 2020 can be the target for 110 points, and maybe 45 points is the risk. So Reliance shows some bearishness. Okay, let's go to सिम तो यार मस्त है यार. bearishness here, so जाने दो इसको. I'm looking at cement stocks basically. Something good actually. See, it is at 60 support. And all time frame above 60. Can be bought above. I don't know whether this is crossing की जगह पे we have Ramco. This can be a small swing trader. Can be a small swing trade if it goes above it. That 60 support. So if there is a bounce, you can buy it immediately. In fact, so 1020 pay, 1020 pay you can buy. 50 can be expected as your stop, your target. So 30 points and around 14 points, or I can say 15 points only is your stop loss. So it's a very good short trade actually. Ramco Cement. Let's go to Maruti auto sector. See, look at it. It's a price support, gap support, and 40 support on daily. A weekly shows resistance at this, and then there's a fall. So if it falls now, we might see weekly is around 48 RSI. So you can expect still a fall of around 400, 400 points. Okay, for it to come down. So weekly shows bearishness, but we need to be careful on daily because it's at 40 support. Okay, and it might come till here around 6800. Even this still is okay, but around 50 support. and price support here. So 68 is going to be crucial. So now we might see 6800 coming up on this. So around that you can cover the short position that we have in top bottom. Okay, so there can be a 100-point swing trade here as well. If it bounces from 40, there can be a 100-point swing till at least 7250. You can expect a buy. Okay. So Maruti, but it's too close, so I'm not giving it. But it looks good for a good swing till this level. Escort is at 60 resistance. Price resistance. सी इसपे से बुलिश है लेकिन इधर 60 को रेजिस्ट कर सकता है ये. Around 50 rupees, sorry, 50 rupees, yeah, 50 rupees is the thing, and 30 rupees can be the risk in escorts. Yeah, 93, yeah, sorry. Yeah, 95 is fine, let it be. So escort looks okay. To short if it is below this, and you can expect this as your target. It's 60 resistance on weekly and daily by the way. Okay, so mm, this is at support resistance resistance. So rate shift का chance है इधर. Okay, so there is some resistance here. Okay, let's go to MRF. Ah, no trade right now. Nothing, nothing. Let's see Tata Motors. It's now it might come till 305 around once again. There is a PRD setup on weekly by the way. 4 bar confirms about 328 and the target can be bigger. There is a PRD setup on Tata Motors by the way. But monthly also shows this. So अगर PRD setup है तो इसके ऊपर में चला जाएगा वो, क्योंकि इसका टारगेट इज 370 के आसपास. Okay, so nothing much on auto sector. Let's go to bank. HDFC Bank is at the buy price that we had and see almost 1600 was touched. Right. Again, it's a 60 support. Again, a doji, doji, doji. It's actually pura 1:1. 35 points up or 35 points down on bank on HDFC Bank. This is still at support but resisting 60. There seems to be bearish divergence setup here. It will confirm below 733. It seems to be a little bit dicey. Okay, see what it is doing. Let's see. Kotak is also resisting 60. Array. Array. Resisting 60 here as well. Kotak looks little bit dicey here. Okay, so this is again, at 60 resistance weekly, and that is the main cause for a short trade. Let's see what it does. So Kotak we have seen. Uh, Now let's see SBI what it is. Lower band support and it's in a squeeze, so gap support as well. So we need to see whether it closes the gap or it holds on to it. Okay, so let's see that. Now, so SBI there is nothing. Let's see Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finserv is also in a sideways. This is also okay. So till it does not go below this, it's still looking good. Bajaj Finance, yeah, it's still at the same level. See, it is resisting 60. Same चीज़ है सब जगह पे अभी. So there is going to be some sideways movement you can expect because बाकी टाइम फ्रेम बड़ा टाइम फ्रेम में कुछ bearishness नहीं है, but you can see that there is okay movements here, so we should be fine. Okay, this is fine. So we saw finance, we saw auto sector, cement. We saw one thing which was missed was LNT. See, LNT daily has got a 60 resistance, a big shooting star, but बहुत बड़ा कैंडल है. तो आई विल अवॉइड एनी ट्रेड बिकॉज स्टॉप लॉस बहुत दूर है इसका, तो ये नहीं कर सकते हम. और बाकी टाइम फ्रेम पे कुछ खराब नहीं दिख रहा है ये. नथिंग रॉन्ग ओवर हियर येट. Is resisting, see it resisted the previous all time high by the way. So उधर से नीचे आया है but it might cross this. If crosses it becomes a very good stop suddenly. Okay, we need this to be crossed. It's sideways right now, so इसमें कुछ short trade भी अभी ये भी नहीं बनता. So LNT we can use. So we still have 5 trades so far. बाकी दो बाकी है. Okay, so on the sectors we have seen So now let's see Dr. Reddy what it has for us. Dr. Reddy, I don't know why, but I feel it's looking really good. Good setup at 40 support. I think you might see a breakout in this week. I'll continue the buy on it above 4550. I'll continue with it. It's looking awesome. Okay, so anytime if it breaks above, it's going to be a good buy. It's looking good. Weekly, it's RA weekly be 40 support and this, so this is looking good to me. Okay, so Dr. Reddy, I'll continue the buy call. Looks decent. Okay, really look decent. About this you buy 4750 तक का target है उसका. Looks good, very good at current levels. So Dr. Reddy is looking good. Let's see सिपड़ा क्या बोलता है. वो भी टेंशन में है. But यहाँ पे support पे भी है. So it is also looking okay. The supply is also fine. DVs resisting here. So doji है सब में weekly पे और यहाँ पे थोड़ा price resistance भी है. So we need to see what it does. Hmm. So nothing much here. औरो क्या बोलते हैं औरो भी 60 break and it has gone down resisting here at the 1000 levels. Okay, ये यार सोचिए perfect setup औरो firma. Okay, so it has a bullish divergence. W setup looks good. Okay, so that is where auto pharma looks good. So we have almost 7 trades again for this week so far. Okay, this is looking good. It's also had a bearish range shift here. Okay, this can be also short if it goes beyond this. Okay, but I would wait for it because then it can have another 20-25 points on the downside. Okay, let's see what it does. So both sided is possible, but the short is immediate. So I would let it be. I will not go for it. Okay, so we saw finance, auto, cements, um, pharma. So now let's see IT, TCS. Price resistance पे shooting star बनाया base, and this is also around 60. So we might have some retracement. Let's see what it does. So it's at, see, shooting star is at exactly at price resistance. Okay, so it's the first CIP by the way. So TCS looks good for a first shot. See, support, support, breaking of support, and first CIP. Okay, so can be a short, but we need to see what it does. So you can expect this to come to 29.61 again. So almost 100 points from here is possible in TCS. So TCS looks short again. Okay, Infosys. Oh, weekly is at upper band, but it is at price resistance. So even Infosys looks the same. 1400. There is a N type or a bearish setup over here as well. So yes, you can expect some fall in the IT. So अगर IT टूटेगा तो बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर जाएगा. So let's see what it does now. Okay, I think we covered all the sectors. FMCG बाकी रह गया. So let's see Asian Paints. उसमें भी ट्रेड था 2440 के ऊपर में बाय हो रहा है ये, बट we are not getting any much good entries out here, and see it is resisting now. First bearish range shift वहाँ से देखो नीचे ही आया है वो. हिंद यूनिलीवर वो भी इसके ऊपर नहीं जा पा रहा है. रेजिस्टिंग 60 एंड इट इज फॉलिंग बैक. शॉर्ट ट्रेड ही है इसमें भी. इट्स इन द शॉर्ट साइड, सो लेट इट बी. ऑलरेडी बहुत बड़ा और कैंडल बन चुका है. So now if you go to short also it is not going to help you much. Okay, because 2180 तक का एक टारगेट है which is just 30 points from here, and your risk will be higher. So जाने दो. ब्रिटानिया 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 हमारी गोल. उसमें भी कुछ नहीं है. नहीं है. ओके, सो एफएमसीजी साइडवेज एंड स्लगिश, तो उसको भी हम छोड़ देंगे. Okay, I think so. That's it. Not much more. So, thank you all. I'll share the link in some time. Okay, so let's see and enjoy the trading this week. Thank you all.